For the first time in my life, I'm dyeing my hair. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but let's get started before I change my mind. I've been wanting to do this for a while, but I never got around to it because I don't really wear my natural hair as much. The theme is fiery orange, fiery red type of look. I have 3 colors from L'Oréal's HiColor collection. I have 2 boxes of copper red H10 and I have 1 box of Sizzling copper. I'll also be using L'Oreal's 30 developer, and then I have some gloves, Vaseline, all of that. So I already sectioned my hair into 4 parts, and I did a protein treatment yesterday because I was looking it up and they said you should do a protein treatment. This is my hair coming from like cornrows for like 2-3 months from wearing back-to-back wigs, so she's pretty dirty. I'm gonna put Vaseline all around the edges to protect my skin and then get started with dyeing all of this mix.
Me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business call me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You honestly, I'm the lowest of the lowest, but then you can keep it and nobody knows it. Get the fuck on my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussies spin like a great escape. I need a new trick, gold eyes on chains. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. Got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving savage, calling on my favorite hoe. How to reach me every time that it pays you right. We're committed a crime. Way over long, no sacred spot. We can't be outside cause I'm not against the plan. Am I on your mind? Wherever you are, don't call me. I'm at the low, I'm out of range. I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I'm the lowest of the lowest, but if you can keep it and nobody knows shit. Even though I'm the lowest of the lowest, but if you can keep it and nobody knows shit. I need total confidential privacy. No one knows, thinking I'm a robot. Time so strange that we on the first class trip. Don't work my nerves, you know I get bored. We're fucking, we ain't making love no more. You talk that talk, but he don't matter with. So strong with every but the bitches in my business got me out to choosing violence. See me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I'm the lowest of the lowest, but if you can keep that, ain't nobody knows. I'm the lowest of the lowest, but if you can keep that, ain't nobody knows it.
Real shit.
Say what, yeah. Girl, you know what's up. Say what. Girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling, scheming on you and your homie. Every first day of summer, all grown down in the Hummer. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way. You and your girls on the ride. Play all day, walk on the line. Say what. You know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. And you know what I need. Ooh, say what. You know that I'm about it, baby. Ooh,
A few moments later.
It's been like, what, maybe 40-50 minutes later. So I finished putting all of the dye on. My head is completely empty, as you can see. I'm gonna let it sit for 40 minutes and then go wash it off. After this, I'm gonna go in with my Olaplex number 3. I've heard this is a good treatment for colored hair and damaged hair, so I'm gonna use this. And then I have my Redken shampoo, a deep conditioner that's moisture paste, and then I have my leave-in conditioner, my styler, and then 2 protectants. And then I'm going to wand curl my hair. I know it's crazy to say that I'm wand curling my hair and I'm supposed to not use heat because I'm coloring my hair, but I didn't buy flexi rods. Like, I don't have any other option to style it, so we're gonna use heat wand. And then I'll show you guys the final results after using all these products. I'm excited. I'm nervous because it's just like, I hope the color turns out how it's supposed to turn out. I will see y'all in 40 minutes.
2 hours later.
I'm back. This is how my hair looks now. It has like a gingery red type of vibe going on. It's just hard to detect it because when I was washing it in the bathroom, I was like, what color is this? So I need to go out in the actual like light. Like, I need to go outside and see how it looks. But overall, I do like the color. Like, if I'm feeling this look, I'm gonna give it like an 8 out of 10. Like, this was a great job for like someone who's just dyeing her hair for the first time, like following all the instructions. It feels a little bit stringy, but like not too bad. Like, it still feels like my hair texture. I'm gonna go in and do all of my whole routine. After I go ahead and do all of that, I'm gonna come and show y'all like the final results after I've wand curled my hair.
1 million, zillion, jillion, dillion, cotillion times later.
I'm back. It is like 8-7 hours later of like deep conditioning, shampooing, detangling, leave-in conditioner, blow drying, curling, all of that good jazz to my hair. This is the final results. Let me come closer so y'all can actually see the color. It took a while, but like now I can actually see the color settling into my hair. I just did some wand curls and I did a little bit side part with my edges. I'm in love with this color. Now I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna dye it. I love this color. This color looks so good and I cannot wait to see it in the sun because I didn't have a chance to step out today. My hair robbed me of opportunities to go outside today and it's already midnight, so I'm not going outside. I think it really complements my skin, so I'm excited to wear this out. I'm still trying to figure out how I want to wear my hair in this type of styles. I do have low density 4C hair, so I can't do everything, every style in the world, so I'm still trying to experiment. And then we're gonna see how this keeps up with all of the products and advice and the research that I did. And we'll see how I get to style my hair in the weeks to come.
A few moments later.
It's literally midnight. Like, I need to go to bed. But I wanted to give y'all like a quick close-up of my curls and my actual hair color. Now I am a copper ginger girl. I'm gonna say copper. Like, I'm a copper girl. I hope you can see the color. I had to go in and actually just like mess around with my hair because my hair is low density, so it's not as thick as it could be. So I have to manipulate it a little bit more so it can look full and look like it has volume. I'm really gonna have to fit up with all of the research I did in the past 48 hours and keep on like making sure that I'm doing everything right to maintain my hair color, maintain its health, maintain its shape, all of that glory. So I need to be on my A game because I heard that colored natural hair is no joke. Hopefully y'all can see it because my lighting looks a little bit off, but I hope you guys can actually see the hair color. Again, I am super in love with this look. And then I try to do a fro, but like I said, low density, so like bear with me. But I think I'm just gonna stick to my natural hair regimen that I had like 5-6 years ago. But I think for the most part, all of the products that I was using in the past should be okay for my hair. Like, I don't think I have to do too much to maintain this color, but I'm gonna still research and be on top of my shit. I'm not letting this color fade. This is the final results. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I love this hair. Everything that I used in this video will be in the description box below, so y'all can check out. First time dyeing my hair, 10 out of 10. Like, I ate. You can't tell me I didn't eat. Like, I ate this up. Yes, I did. 10 out of 10. Everything I used will be in the description box below for you guys to use. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Feelings, so deep in my feelings. Notice that you really like